안녕하세요. I'm Sara, representing the Egyptian style and the Egyptian outfit of the Saidi.
And I am khloud, representing Korea and the modern Korean style.
Today we're going to start
by cooking one of the famous Korean street food with an Egyptian twist.
And this Egyptian twist is going to be in our kimbap for today. So we'll start shijak. And now we are going to show you the ingredients of the recipe. And I'll start now by cutting. First of all, we will wash everything, then cut them, chop them into pieces, like this. We'll cut the cabbages. Into cubes. And also put them into the plate. And finally, we're going to cut the onions. And leaving half a centimeter between cutting them.
First of all, we will heat up the oil. And then we will add the gochujang. After heating up, we will add the water.
And leave the water boiling for 10 minutes.
And after boiling 10 minutes, we will add the rice cakes.
Then leave the rice cake for 20 minutes to be cooked.
And after the rice cakes have been cooked, we will add the onions. And the cabbage. And then we will stir all of these ingredients together.
Then we will add the green onions while the cabbage is cooking.
And then finally we will add the noodles. And finally this is the tteokbokki, and we are going to sprinkle a little bit of green onions above and sesame.
I will take a bite now and see what does it taste like. This is so. I hope you enjoyed the video and goodbye.